Hello everybody, welcome back to Sweden. Today we're going to take out the truck bed. Now, I've never taken a truck bed off before. What's happening is that the truck is starting well, but it's not getting enough gas. So I'm gonna try to check and see how the fuel pumps looks. And it might be some other issue, but I've been wanting to take this off anyway, see how the frame looks underneath. So right now it's just a little bit of a detective work to see how I'm taking this off. Stay tuned. So, I got the bed liner off because I realized there's bolts holding it from underneath that I couldn't really reach. And I see now that they're in like this, so I think I have to grind them out because underneath they're like in a tubing of some sort. The bed is better than I thought. This part's rusted through. This part's rusted through the wheel housing, so we have to fix that, of course. So my plan is to get this off, like I said, work on the underneath, and then sand all this down, get out the dents, and you know, get the rust off. Let's get going. It's a big truck. Big as fuck. Very big. Well, so all the bolts are ground off, and boy, I want to give you all a tip, because I've watched a lot of people on YouTube. They grind a lot, got the mask on, and when they're done, they just take the mask off and continue working with that mask on. You gotta let the dust settle before you take your mask off. You know, it gets right into your lungs, and wearing this won't have helped you one bit. So that's my tip for you. So we have a little problem. Well, a big problem actually. I'm right about in the process of lifting the bed. It's all done, loose, but the car doesn't start. Not a big issue, you know, in itself, because I could just push it forward, but then something happens, so I can't get the key all the way into the ignition, and I can't move the shifter into neutral position. So I'm gonna try to just lift this up a little bit, and I've made a little traverse up here. Try to lift this up a little bit and just see if I can take it backwards instead and get it off here and just put it on its side. Well, I found this video on YouTube, just love YouTube, and it said if you put the key in ignition, just whack it with a rubber mallet and it can go through. And you know, I did it, not too hard, and it worked. So now the car is in neutral. I'm going to try to push it forward a bit. It's a heavy piece. The last thing to take off, I think, is the fuel lines. So let's go for it. Alright, this body, our truck body here, is loose. So the next issue is to get the truck out from underneath it. Right now it doesn't start. It's a bit too heavy for me to push. I'm gonna have to have some help with it, or if I just move the truck bed backwards. The main part is I got it off the floor now, off the frame now, and nothing seems to be holding it. So yeah, I think we got a lot of work to do, but that's for another video. Thank you so much for watching, if you made it this far. And this old used to be yellow truck and me, hope we see you next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care, you guys.